Hello, my name is Drew Laikin, and today I'm going to be talking with Naomi Maurer, who is a biomedical engineering major at Miami University and in cohort 11, about some of her findings from the McKinsey's global survey and Deloitte's research on generative AI. So to kind of start off, are companies currently implementing generative AI into their operations?
Yeah, definitely. So, generative AI has already shown to have a presence in the workplace. Even with less than a year since these generative AI tools debuted, McKinsey has found that one-third of the companies they surveyed are using generative AI for at least one business function. And these companies are implementing generative AI where the most value is. So, the use of it is often found in the fields of marketing and sales, product and service development, and service operations like customer care and back office support. Generative AI is also a topic being spoken about during a lot of board meetings. 40% of the respondents said that because of the advancements in generative AI, their companies are planning to increase their investment in artificial intelligence.
So how exactly are these companies going about implementing AI into their workplace?
So, one of the most important features of an AI ready culture is definitely trust. To get past AI related fear, employees need to believe that their company has their best interest in mind and that the implementation of the technology is for their benefit. Change management, incentives, and training activities are all ways companies are currently trying to build trust within their companies. And Deloitte found that 37% of companies are currently using these practices to help people implement this technology into their work. Another way companies are implementing generative AI is by creating new job roles and functions to maximize the use of these AI advancements. They found that 38% of organizations are doing this already.
So what are companies trying to achieve by implementing generative AI into their daily work activities?
Yeah, so it is well known that using generative AI can improve efficiency and reduce operational costs, which is the goal most organizations have when implementing generative AI. However, Deloitte also notes that organizations that have already implemented these generative AI tools and are seeing the most value from it are actually focusing on using generative AI with a growth mindset. They are striving to use these tools to expand their company by creating new products, improving customer satisfaction, and entering new markets.
So what's something that companies should be wary of when implementing artificial intelligence?
Yeah, so one of the main pitfalls Deloitte recommends avoiding is pushing IT or data science people to drive the organization's AI transformation. They believe that it is the senior business leaders who should be taking the lead in embracing AI by integrating into their organization's strategy. And McKinsey also says that routine maintenance checks will be needed to ensure that only quality and ethical approaches are used in the implementation of these AI tools.
So based on what you've learned from what you've been reading, what should we as students do to prepare for AI in the future?
I think one of the most important things we as students need to do is to view generative AI with an open mind. We need to be open to the changes and retraining that will be inevitable with these AI advancements. Another thing we can do to prepare for the future is to start learning how to use it now. We should learn how to form good prompts and learn how we can implement it in our daily lives. So that way we know how to use it and what to be careful about when we enter the workforce.
All right. Well, thank you for speaking with me today.